The 2010 Honda Fit, powered by a 1.5-liter VTEC 4-cylinder engine. With a 5-speed automatic transmission, this vehicle, with fewer than 35,000 miles on the odometer, is well equipped. This Honda features a CD player, keyless entry, and power windows. Safety features include dual front airbags, fog lights, and ABS. Comfort and convenience features include air conditioning, power steering, and leather seats. Give us a call to schedule your test drive today.
Every Honda is a product of innovative engineering and quality manufacturing. Your dealer performs an exhaustive 150-point mechanical and appearance inspection to ensure that each vehicle meets Honda standards. Only well-maintained Honda models are eligible. Honda certified used cars, so reliable they're certifiable.
This is a one-owner vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.